Good morning, everyone. It's about 9 o'clock. Oh, look who's in our pool. Of course, I've already been out here feeding and watering the chickens. Just a little bit before sunrise, I had their food put out and fresh water. But I'm coming in here to show you. Someone had asked me in a comment, what is chicken scratch? So this is chicken scratch that I got the other day from the feed store. I got a bag, like 4 or 5 pounds, I think. And I just put it out for a treat. This is not their regular food. It's just to be given as a treat. But you see it has sunflower seeds and cracked corn and some other seeds, and they love it. Oh boy. Here's the star of the show. Hey. What? Why did you take that broccoli out? Oh, she's really going after me. There's Fiora. She's still a little skittish sometimes. Other times she lets me hold her. And this is lay pellets. And then this was, you can see I got it reduced. It was some cornbread. And I got it for them. I gave them some yesterday, and I gave them the rest this morning. Hello. Esther, you should be in that clean water. And then over here, you can see the ants are still here. Ow. This white stuff is crushed oyster shells. And here's some more food for them. What? Are you going in to lay an egg? Okay. I did some cleaning in that coop yesterday, but I've got to do more. Oh, Esther, you're not being too nice. Look at this one's got her head stuck through there, getting grass, and I already picked them some weeds. Oh, when roosters do that little side dance, did you see them? Now the little one's doing it. That means they're feeling a little frisky. What? One of your ladies went in to lay an egg. I wonder, I think Esther probably will lay an egg today. It's like every 2 to 3 days she lays one. Getting a drink of water. Oh, look, Lady Jane got in my yard. I gotta get her back over here. Hey, Esther. Because I'm heading to the grocery store, and oh, there's Miss Kitty. Yes. There's my insulated bag I've been leaving here for Meals on Wheels if they come and I'm not home, like probably this morning. I'll be going to the grocery store. Come on, Lady Jane. Let me get her over here. She's so Good, she knows where she needs to go. Let me try to close this, and I want to tell you something about Lady Jane. See, she still has that limp on that left foot. She has that, now I'm forgetting the name. Bumblefoot. The lock here broke. There used to be a thing here, and it broke off, so now I just put it around that, which actually is working better for my hands. As you know, Lady Jane has had that bumblefoot for quite a while. Bye, Miss Kitty. And I've tried everything except the last resort, which is slicing it open, which I'm not gonna do. But I looked up kind of a spray that you can spray on it real often, and it's supposed to help draw that out. I've tried ointment, and I've soaked it, and nothing has worked, so I'm gonna put back some money to get that spray. It begins with a V. Something. Vedicin or Vetricin. They're loving that scratch. All right, Miss Kitty. Hold down the fort. Okay? Now I'll be back.